Hey, can I get some views on these shorts, dog? No, don't run away, come back!
So freaking done with Harbor Freight Vulcan crap welding wire. Freaking 47 years old and I don't know how to freaking weld. At least I thought I didn't know how to weld. Today, I realized something that I did not know before. I thought I could weld, even though I've been trying for months to learn. All this freaking time, thought maybe because freaking blind, but dumb and crazy. Was none of that.
Look at this crap. That is garbage.
That's the way my welds have looked ever since I started. It's terrible. I figured out it wasn't just me. All I needed to do was get some new welding wire, had some freaking consistency, green manufacturing, and potentially not made by 11-year-olds. Even though in most circles I'm considered inconsistent clay and not very consistent on anything. Actually, the way I make these videos. So without even changing the settings on the machine, the dummy using it,
And look at what I did.
welding wire that I got from the Amazon changed my ways. No more super shitty welds. Now just okay, kind of crappy welds. Better than they were the other day.
Look at the splatter on that. Compared to that garbage right there. I'm still not perfect.
Definitely getting better, eh? Get on the Amazon using the link down below. Get you some of this Yeswelding wire. Gonna be half the stinking price. Seems to be more consistent. Diameter of the wire seems to be much better than the diameter of the wire of the Vulcan. Harbor Freight, it sucked. Really changed my welding abilities instantly. Thought it was always me. No, they did not pay me for this video. Oh, I'd take some of your shit though. We learn as we go. Remember, no matter what it is you think you can or cannot do, I promise, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. God bless, folks. Have a great day.